Hey everyone, I'm Scott from SpringHillFox.com. Welcome back, whether you have your website up and running or just starting. I'm diving into some groundbreaking AI tools that can supercharge your... So, let's get into it. 1. Copy.ai. First up, we have Copy.ai. And guess what? They offer a free-for-life version, which I highly recommend checking out. 2. AnyWord. Moving on consistency. AnyWord syncs perfectly with any AI tool you use. Ideal for ad copy and more, starting at just $49 a month. Jasper is your AI buddy, helping you create content tailored to your prompts and suitable for various projects. Excelling in Amazon roundups, blog posts, YouTube scripts. 5. Lumen 5. Last but not least, Lumen 5. This isn't just any video making tool. It's an AI-driven platform that transforms text into engaging videos with stock footage and music.